One of the most common examples of a crank slider mechanism is an engine. So let's take a moment to highlight how this crank slider mechanism works in an engine. So go out to Solid Edge. Under New, we'd like to create a new metric assembly. So select metric assembly. And let's go over here to your parts library. Click on your parts library and go out and find your folder wherever it is, class files. And under class files, you'll see engine 1. Double click on engine 1. And I've laid these out in order for you, these first 5 parts. O1 engine block. Just drag that in to the window and go back to your parts library. O2, drag the head in, and we can assemble that. I know this cylinder sits on this cylinder, and this base piece down here sits on this piece right here. Let's jump over here to our third part, the cam. You can drag the cam in. I think this cam piece, this piece sits right here, and then we'll align this piece with this piece. Go back to part 4, the piston head, and align that inside the piston. Go out and grab piston rod, and let's align this with this. And I'm going to straighten this up a little bit and get it in a better position. And I'll use the wheel just to slide that along to basically where it needs to go. Maybe I'll grab the wheel also and just turn this, set it on that face and spin it up. I know it goes about there. Sometimes it helps to put it in the position it needs to go. Then I'll do an axial align this piece with, I'll find the axis in the cylinder there. There's the cylinder axis right in there. And if you like, you could go back to your parts library and you click on these file names, you'll see the pictures highlight below. You can add all these pieces if you want. And if you like, you can also come down in the window and you can spin that around. And whatever orientation that you spin it to, when you drag it in, that's what'll show up. And so that's basically it. Now all we need to do is jump out and add a motor, rotational motor, on this drive shaft, and we can just run with that direction. And let's go out to simulate motor. Hit OK and run.